Start. Let's go. We are still doing.
Looking at the live streams, it's so good.
Wait,
What I did.
let me quickly just. I fucked up.
Is there
No,
I
still
didn't change the title or anything, bruh. I'm stupid.
Damn, bro.
is there like still a Leon POV or not?
No,
Still Leon PV. Yeah.
I don't have that.
Oh damn.
Or I actually have like I can still put it on. Like it's just enable disable. Thing,
I
kinda.
mean there's so many people coming to stream for me. No, they'll probably just find me funny.
Yeah. They like your they love your accent. They love your accent. Do I have
Probably.
let's see. I need to update the title. I forgot to do that. I did everything else, but I forgot to do the title, brother. How could this happen?
Yeah, man, and I already pinged, bro. Feel stressed.
Yeah, my bad. Can you take back the ping?
Nah.
Hello, Peppa. And there's Micro.
I have a.
It's big here.
There's
I
Micro
have-
Baba.
It's been 1 minute and there's still no one on the Lucas stream. Lucas is falling off.
Yeah, for real.
Nah, man.
Oh,
Okay.
there's 2 people now.
But it's you see because it's Unity, you know. People don't like Unity.
One thing about
Yes.
the title or like the name for the thing you say is StreamerFighter, but then it sounds like you're putting like popular
Oh,
streamers and
I
making
know.
them fight.
It's kind of the point, alright? It's the name of the thing. If somebody you're right.
Clickbait! Clickbait!
No. It's a
Clickbaiter, guys! This guy is a clickbaiter!
I'm a
He's falling off and
masturbator.
he's clickbaiting. Yeah, I'm he's a master debater. Yeah, YouTube, don't ban us. He's a master debater, you know, he's the
Okay.
best when it comes to debating.
Let's see.
Twitch moderation, please don't ban him.
Yeah, no.
This
a great
is
one.
the same South Park episode.
I was able to connect to my Twitch custom map. I also pinned a ragdoll man onto Slack.
Oh,
Spent
this
most of the
sounds
time reviewing
old.
Twitch. This pull request introduced 2 main sets of changes. One, the addition of the new tones of Jason.
Not,
Include its asset meta.
I sniff AI.
Yeah.
why is that a
Button
pull request
under
called nap
activities.
time?
New. Okay. Oh, if I click these ones, they go somewhere crazy, right? There are, I don't know, man. I'm just gonna add your review. Real shit. Hello. There's Microbaba, Blehum, and Tenetherite official. Nailed it. 185 files, bro. Okay.
That's what happens when you are doing anything related to package managing and Unity.
Yeah. I think all of them are pretty good, right? Can I just accept all? Is there such a thing?
Nah, man, you gotta just accept it without, you know, looking at it, then you will get a YOLO achievement.
YOLO.
Yeah, on GitHub you will get the YOLO achievement.
Can I just?
Wait, the YOLO achievement? What?
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
wait,
a
like,
YOLO
you mean like just
achievement.
approve
You-
like
you
this and
need
go
to-
YOLO? Like...
Yeah. Yeah,
You need to
you
do
just
what?
type YOLO. But you don't actually have to type YOLO, you just have to accept it without looking at it.
I'm doing YOLO right now. He has nap time. I just say YOLO.
Yeah.
Brother. So I got the achievement now.
Maybe, like if you didn't like look at the files too much.
Well, I kind of did look at the files.
Oh no, dumb.
Oh.
He got the shark achievement still.
Yeah, but even I have that, bro. And I'm stupid.
But are you stupid plus?
No, I'm stupid minus.
Oh sure. All right. With branch am I on? I don't like that. It's like that. That I prefer. Git check out master debater.
Exactly.
All right.
Also, you know that that Unity has an inbuilt terminal.
I don't like inbuilt terminals.
Man, you're in Unity. Bro, everything is inbuilt.
I'm not gonna start using inbuilt terminals.
Oh,
That shit weird, man.
Lucas, you should actually just run NeoVim inside of the VS Code terminal.
Well, that's what I'm doing. Oh, you wait, no.
I'm
Oh, no.
Yes, that's the best way of using NeoVim. You get all of the disadvantages with all of the performance disadvantages.
Shit,
man.
what did he push, bro? There's a lot of weird ass shit. Models.
Everything in Unity is inbuilt except having a life.
I mean,
What?
you can try just leaving the console.
Wait, let me just.
Yeah,
These
clear
are just
it.
import.
Wow,
These are just import
wow!
errors.
Crazy, it just works.
Oh,
What are
what?
the
What
errors?
are all these errors? Oh,
They're about Lucas's life, I think.
oh, damn. Oh, he has like no head. That's sad.
He has no head. Poor guy, man. He gotta get a girlfriend soon.
A boyfriend.
Well, you said he had no head.
Everything in Unity is inbuilt except life, yes. What progress did you make yesterday? We actually got something to do with the API almost working now. Let's see what Damon has cooked up so we can. I was thinking.
Oh, because they're collaborating with him.
One thing, Lucas, I think Damon just made Jesus crust.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, if you play the game, there's Jesus crust hanging on the wall.
The fuck? Wait, Damon has sent me a lot of. Here's the scopes. Wait, he sent me a whole documentation. I got cooked guts in saying, but no phone number. Yes. Let me just start another one, and then here I will go to. And then, shit. Actually, I need to do this. Edit. Preferences. I don't know, external tools. Writer. Yeah. Why can't I just not remember that? Like, I have to every time just do this. It's so weird. Anyways.
You're in and it doesn't remember stuff.
Bruh. Twitch revamp. Alright. Runtime, API. Made like a lot of. What the fuck? There's a whole new. No, don't tell me he. Please tell me he did at least the manual work, that it's not just AI. Please, please.
Oh,
I'm begging.
no, man,
I'm begging.
it's just AI, man.
No.
He is a master prompt engineer.
No, it cannot be. I refuse to believe. This is script Twitch. So this was what I had, and he changed it to. Okay, so. Okay, but at least like it makes sense. Maybe it's not that bad as long as we just. I have no fucking idea what the fuck this is, but sure. So, are you supposed to do this? SDK, okay. Switch. And there's like a get. Man, I need to ask this guy what has he been cooking? Let's see. Yeah, I created the app. I did that. I have also done that. I put the redirect URL in there in display info. Resource. So in the resources, he has the what the fuck? Tell us about your experience. I ain't got no experience. All right. Oh, wait, he has it.
Robbie Kane actually is that guy from SpongeBob.
The what?
The guy the guy who's Super Sigma. Yeah, you know they like it's like cyan, Squidwards. Yeah.
Squadwards. And then
Yes.
here, what is this? This doesn't look the showing Unity. Ah. So there I just put my client ID. Now I'm about to leak my keys and everything. Don't worry, guys. I got this. I got this.
Well, they do drops for Twitch.
I don't
which is
wanna.
cool.
I don't. Where
We
is?
want to see the key.
Where's the? Where do I? Brother. Bruh.
I mean, it's probably in settings, I would guess. Something.
Here. Boom. Oh, developer console. There. Boom. Easy peasy. It's over here. And then manage. Here. Now I leaked everything. Right? Oh no. Okay. Good. This is okay to leak. I don't know, client secret. There is no secret here, so that's good. Boom, that's the thing we'll be using. And I can window where I want the inspector back. Yeah, there, inspector. Well, how do I default? Oh, thank God. Whew. That was a close one. All right, and then now console is going crazy again. No idea.
Oh.
Let's see, what else does it say? He says that after doing that, I have no idea. You're the same info, yeah. Not sure why the fuck it is here. They must test that, it should be there. Here are the scopes. Switch if I'm making sense, but I haven't connected it to anything, so I'm not sure if its endpoints are connected. Alright. I don't know. Let's see. Play that. Nope. Response code and the body use of code has the body redacted. I'm supposed to get up a... But I don't get it. Oh, wait. Fuck. Bro, update. Bro, update Brave. What do you mean update Brave?
Update rave.
No, Brave.
Update the rave. Yeah, exactly. Also because where's the music?
What?
The music.
Brave.
What kind? Do you want the Minecraft music back?
Now we want Doom.
I got the
Can we have like two music instead? Or something?
Yeah.
I need
Okay, how about
something that works
how about
copyright.
some rap?
I didn't.
Okay, Eminem.
No, copyright.
We want Evangelion music. There's probably no copyright.
Family-friendly Christian music.
Cringe.
Oh yes, Christian church music.
Yes, we
probably no
actually want
copyright on that.
like a priest reading the Bible to us.
Yes.
Yes.
We want like oh mais non.
Exactly. Yeah, we want an entire church choir in the background also.
Oh mais non.
I mean, we all do everything. You know, we can also have some Amish music maybe.
We could have like I don't know. Like I don't know.
You
Could
don't
we have
know?
Terry Davis in the background? Looping.
I think. Wait, let me check. What is this? What is?
I mean, else don't we have official Lucas music? We need official Lucas OST. You need to hire someone to make music.
I have a friend actually who has made the first song that is actually played on my first video in the intro.
I mean, you should hire him to make music for the games. The games are
Okay.
missing music.
He is up for making music for the stuff.
Games?
Yeah. Just if I just have a
So
clear
make-
picture of what I'm gonna make and so on, so then he's fine with it. But the thing is that.
So do it.
But the thing is, I just need to have a clear picture of what, so he can have and he needs to know when it needs to be done, time frame and not whatnot, these kind of things. You know what I'm saying?
And
Nuh-uh.
just tell him to do quick, simple music.
No, he doesn't do quick, simple music. There's no such thing.
Oh,
Yeah. Let's see. I think he has. Wait. Yeah, we did a lot. Damn, we have spoken. Damn. Wait. I got it somewhere. Way back in our conversation.
Hmm.
How far
oh.
back?
Also, by the way, when will you produce the VR game video?
I'm producing it a little bit every day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because like for at least for the next video, you were like always in VC recording voices and everything.
Yeah.
But I didn't see you much in VC for that.
No, I'm still just editing the script and planning out. I'm doing a new format, so that's why it's a bit weird. But here, listen to this.
My God, it's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's pretty banger.
Yes, it's based. I want to know his YouTube channel. I will download his entire OST.
I guess I can ask him for another soundtrack, but it's literally here. The first
Yes.
one being this.
What is his YouTube channel? I need to know. Please send it over.
I will send it in the.
Yeah, we give it a second. Oh,
I will send it in all of the live stream chats, so you can get it from there.
Okay. Oh, it's based. Just tell him it's so good. I love it.
Let's see. Do we just put that on loop all the time?
yep. But only the first second, I think.
I mean, it would
It's
work
looping.
quite well, you know. To just
The
loop.
first second only.
Let's see. Yes, okay, I got the Minecraft music there on now. The only problem is that I don't fully understand what Damon has done, and I don't know.
Okay. I mean, why can't we have him?
I don't know.
How is he?
I don't know. He was up late cooking yesterday, and now I don't know what.
Don't. Oh. Don't you have like his emergency phone number or something? Don't you have like his home address to go get him?
Let me just see. Can I? What the hell? Can I copy this somehow? No.
Probably by right clicking, you
Yeah,
probably have an option.
No, I don't. Metafile asset
Or maybe
project
you have
which.
you have like You have like
valid.
things on top of the console tab. You have like editor on other stuff. Maybe it's that.
Wait, let me see. It says that in the chatter. Okay, so I need to go to runtime models, and then the chat. Was it response? Message. And then MD. Okay, so this thing, something here is broken regarding the GUID. Generate GUID. Ah, no.
Damn, the micro music is so banger.
It's
always
so
such a-
good. This one, I must note it on like the piece of paper that's on my desk. Okay, door Minecraft OST. I have like, I don't know why, some elaborate plan for some sort of rocket orientation simulator to train an AI model. I think I got inspired, but then I scrapped it, and the paper is still on my desk.
Well, that's how it goes.
But I'm not trying to use too odd. That's the thing I want to avoid. Let's see here. So I went into Twitch Manager. I have no idea what he has written, but it looks complicated. Twitch Manager, awake, init. Lock. Where does this lock come from? What is lock? What the hell? If so instance is equal null, instance is equal to this. Okay, wait, so he's making a singleton? Or am I stupid? Yeah. Okay. And then here, okay, logged out, yes. Hello, Lucas Emil. Oh no, Dogoman, how could this happen? Okay, but here, yeah, because you're logged out. So now actually I would like for you to get a login. Where is this prompt login? Here. Where do we call this from? Prompt login. Don't understand this, but sure. Twitch get channel bot. So much comments. Current scope to get, I ask. Yes, okay. 3 authorized if you please. What I'm doing right now, still trying to get the Twitch API working. It's not working.
What are you? Oh, he spoke so much. His word was so true that he went from second top fan to first top fan.
What?
I mean, the Dogoman. When he said I am ill, he was top fan #2, but now he's top fan #1.
Ah, yeah. Wait, so you list all subscribers to a channel and check if the user subscribe to a channel API get broadcast subscription. Don't know what the most of this is kind of like what the like where does this object even exist or live? Like there's a sample scene, right? And then he has the Twitch manager here. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Shout out to my guy Lucas, he's so hard lol 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 PJ Salt PJ Salt PJ Salt PJ
What
Salt
the
working
heck?
streamer, am I right?
Yeah,
Oh,
hard
no,
working
don't
streamer,
spam
I
it.
meant.
Oh, shout out to my guy.
I don't have
I mean, what does the lizard channel like point reward do? I want to test, but I don't have many points.
Well, I can show it.
Oh no.
I
Lizard,
am lizard.
lizard, 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 lizard.
Lucas is doing captures right now.
Yeah, guys, I need to take this on my secondary screen because I don't want to show you guys making a robot.
Mm.
I mean,
okay.
I don't know when, but like I got a captcha and it was just two dudes kissing. It was so funny.
Can I... Twitch manager. Will the game be controlled by Twitch chat? To the beginning, not really, but that kind of will be the point that you could use, or maybe even the YouTube chat. Like, we will see. First we'll get the Twitch in there, but after that we'll get the YouTube as well. At this point,
Oh.
I'm like thinking like, why am I not just doing this bare bones with just sockets in C or something like that? Because that would have been easier.
That's what she said.
No, but like, okay, I mean, easier that I would understand what the fuck is happening. Right now, I'm just like, there's a lot of calls to everywhere. I'm like, I have no idea what these things does, but they're supposed to, it's supposed to work. I'm like, okay. And the documentation is not even better. Like, the examples in documentations are faulty. Like, they have typos. Like, come on. Or maybe I just suck that bad. There are no typos. Maybe I just see typos. I don't know, but there are typos. I swear there are typos. It sucks. I'm not sure what... we need Damon in here.
Oh.
Everything seems to be
Yeah, I messaged
fine,
him.
but I don't know why he created a separate...
I will try to call him. See if he responds. Okay, I am calling in.
Because he created... Oh my god. And let me just default. This thing, right? Hack into Twitch and make your own API. Exactly. Can I edit script here? So this is like the default thing, and then you just put in there. There's like buttons. But like, I don't know what else I can change. I cannot really change anything else. Like, that's the only thing that I can change. Everything else has to be done through code. Update, state. Yeah, this one makes sense. It goes in here. Does this thing. Start. Update dot state. Why do this? Why? I mean, yeah, I guess it looks cleaner, but for readability's sake, I wouldn't do it like that. I'm criticizing his code, and he has done. I hope it's he who has done a lot.
So I don't think it even rings from him. It just like put me in waitlist, but I don't think it notifies him.
Wait, let me see.
We are stuck.
We got logged out.
Okay, bon.
He's logged
I
out.
will be right back. I'm leaving for a bit.
And then it goes here. Wait, has it changed it to a... Why do we do a web request? Why?
Because we're using Twitch.
Yeah, but that you shouldn't have to do. Reply false with true to debug. Inspect the HTTP request if plugin to do log. Why would you wanna do a web request? URL. Getting. I didn't even get that getting debug, but sure. Not entirely sure. Because if I go to... Wait. Git branch. Git... Wait, git add dot. Git checkout dash b API to... And then git commit back up. So, and then git branch, git checkout, and then I go to Twitch API, because this is what I had from, right, I probably have to restart Unity if I want to do it like that. Don't save. Okay, well, I could have saved, force quit. Anyways, okay, like so. So now it's gone. Now if I open up this, yeah, accept. Now been backed up into... No. Oh my god, I'm pressing the wrong buttons and everything. So here, now I have that I had from yesterday. Where the fuck is the button? Project, scripts, Twitch. Ah, there it is, button, here. Oh yeah, so now if I press play, and then I press the button, boom. Here, now I get to this point. Enter the code given to you by your device to link to your Twitch. By what device? What device is he talking about? Further than this I didn't get yesterday. I don't know what Damon has done. I don't get access to Damon. What device is he talking about? To link to your Twitch account? Oh wait, what? Enter the code given to you by your device to link. What device? Where? What? I'm gonna check quickly out. Not here. Probably not there either. Okay, I'm gonna try this code. Incorrect code. Yeah, I have no idea what code you're talking about. No idea. Unity Twitch API. reference provided technical details regarding the okay. Double click this to do. Okay, I don't know, man, this is weird. And here we just go git, check out, maybe git stash, git check out API 2. Let's start it again. Yes, yes. Is there something else? Maybe. What if I click on this one and then just check that this one has. But this one has the right. Yeah, it opens the same thing. I don't understand. All of them seems to have. Wait, what? Expected? What the fuck is happening? Between key and value bit mapping, YAML parsing, but the Twitch model channel could not be parsed. Please ensure that the file with valid YAML format. Oh, right. Let me. This one doesn't know which one it's connected to. Wait, I'm parsing it.
Baby.
Alright. YAML parsing failure line between key and value mapping the contents of assets, but okay, let me go here. Okay, never mind. Let me go there. Now. Meta MDs in runtime models document. Oh, we already started adding this. Cool. But yeah, projects, scripts, stickman, runtime, models, document. And these ones supposedly are, but no, what? Why would these? What? Oh my god. I don't know if there's a point trying to fix this. Should we just wait for Damon or like, I don't know, man. This is so weird.
I don't know.
How the fuck do I have? Okay. I don't even know if I'm trying to solve right. Well, they are related to the thing, but I have no idea between key and. This is weird. This is weird. Clear model format. JSON could not be parsed. Please answer it. Where is that YAML coming from? I don't have any YAML. Well, that's from the agent. That's none of my business. And Python shouldn't have anything to do either. Line 7, that one is not wrong. Not wrong either. Funny. I have no idea. I don't even know why we have this one to begin with. I could literally just remove it. Or not. What the fuck? Why cannot just... Oh boy. Like so. At least one error less, but I don't understand still, like... Developers were, yo, what happened with Wallenstein? It ended, it got done. That's what's happened. On application quit, so wait, yeah, but that's because yeah, now we got the errors again. And they're still complaining. I don't know where are these errors coming from? Woo! Where are they coming from? What the fuck? What YAML file? Twitch models chat message CS metadata not models message data. There should be a meta stuff here, but I don't see shit, bro. Send chat message request. I was supposed to decipher those errors. I have no idea. Like, these things make sense. Kind of. Not that out to, because I'm not supposed to have it, but redacted. It only goes through this one all the time. And why are we doing a web request? Like, what?
Lizard,
Lizard, oh
lizard,
no.
lizard, 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 lizard.
Unity Twitch API. This is our own file, right? What the hell?
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Okay, well, where are we calling that from? Here. Oh, wait, what? Why is it calling it... What? But where is the original call from? So it's just in a loop calling itself, but from where does it not do the original call? Oh, come on. What the fuck? I wonder if I'm better off just trying to do my own thing that I had from before and figure out what the fuck is the device.
Everyone, I'm gonna have to go.
Alright. See
At
ya.
least for now. I don't know if I can come back today. So see you.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. The doors go slow. Here's what's happening when you're able to ask which a user tells your Twitch user did you do on a web browser, phone, tablet, and what where? This just confers your account owner and granting Unity permission access. So when you provide I'm still so what? At this point I would rather, I don't know if my time spent on this makes any sense right now. I think it would just make more sense to just have Damon on this in that case. Not sure what to put here. Oh, now I see. But I don't get that. I provided the right thing. What if I... Okay. Buses. All good. Okay. Please reject your request because something is feeling create a post. Using for device. Client credential, no user login. I'm not suitable for author code. So grant types. To reach to develop in your must exactly match. But where does it that. Why doesn't it find shit? I don't have it anywhere. I haven't registered it anywhere, so why would it try to do something like this? What the fuck? Alright, I'm back. I lost connection for some funny reason. But it makes sense, wait. I think it's just because I messed up. Let me just I cannot save. Why is there so much more information now? Create an extension. Wait, did I create the... I don't know, man. Version number, summary, don't need... Do I need to provide any of it? Why is there... Wait, what the jack... Register application. Oh, but am I doing the wrong thing? Yeah, okay, no, it's supposed to be an application, not extension. Yeah, that's why. Don't know what the fuck this is. Just or do I delete it? Okay, I don't. Crazy. Error 2, and then game. Not sure what to put here. Yeah, but I cannot put anything there because I don't even get to that point. Token or favor messages must exactly match the direct your... Let's see, if I go here and I just do that. Isn't just what the fuck? My thing froze. Okay. Again, it froze. What the hell? Wow, it's freezing. Yeah. That should be it, right? Another slash, I don't know. I'll just try again with this. and then StreamFighter 2. And I will take this, put it over here. Client is valid. Oh, there's a new message. I haven't got this one before. Exception, Twitch interrupt core library exception, SDK system pointer. What the fuck? I still don't get it. Correct grant type, depending on who you're using for the device, credential, no authentication code. Hello, this new the Vira project is done. It's a new project now. It was supposed to be a short and simple one, but I cannot get the Twitch API working, so it's gonna take longer than I expected it to do, sadly. Next time I do something with this, I think I'll just use pure sockets, because this is just getting out of hand. Could you share that exact file you're sending to the... So you're making... It's gonna be a kind of like automatic stick figure fighter that when people watch the live stream, there will just be like stick figures jumping around and fighting and whatnot. First of all, just trying to get it to work on Twitch, and then maybe add a YouTube API. And yeah, when you watch, you have a character that's fighting there. Maybe the longer you watch, the stronger it gets, or something like that, basically. Yeah, that's the plan. But I can't even get a stupid API working, and I will try again going back to... I don't know how... let's see, I will close this thing. Go back into here, git check out. Can this thing close? Thanks. And then I will also close this one. And I will check out to API. Twitch API. Git stash. So now we should be here. I can open this one. Yes, yes, yes. YouTube should have an API for who's watching a live stream or just joins. Like, I know I could find other people's like whole comment sections, like other YouTubers, so why shouldn't it have a API for who is watching? I don't know yet, I haven't looked into it. But we'll see, we'll see. Okay, so now this at least works. And according to that, I should be able to take this, go into here. Now we're using this one. Add, it's like this. Add that, add it, yeah, cool, cool, cool. And then doing some car stuff. And then we'll have to, what is this? Double click supply Unity package, or you do client code here. It is set up. Yes. And then I don't know what that is. Not sure why the fuck it is there. Okay. No, cancel. What? Do. No, that should be it pretty much. Why is it not just waiting for something else? Like what am I supposed to wait for? Where am I supposed to get this code? What device? Activate. Enter the code given in your device. What device? Or is it? Should I do this? The fuck? What else could it be? Ah. Okay. Pretty print. Okay. Invalid scope requests. Twitch SDK, Twitch authentic scope. It's a step further. Let me just try this again. So just do that. Huh. Doesn't say anything here though. Bruh. Let's see. What about this? That's so weird. Why would you take the code from the URL? That explains it. That it's coming from the scope you're asking for. Like, but your request is asking for. That's not a valid Twitch scope. It's not like an enum name from the Twitch. Actual string specs, how to fix it. When you build your token request, make sure that the real string scope, not enum name. For example, wrong right string. What the fuck is that? Oh god, no. What the hell? Okay, well, I'm getting somewhere. I'm not getting somewhere good, but I'm getting somewhere, so that's pretty cool, pretty cool. Twitch. Wow, you can load a bit slower, can't you? Here, this is what I got, but I don't understand. Oh. During which is assume it's a string which one value that is one value isn't converted to a valid Twitch scope screen to SDK passing. Like, this is why Twitch returns. To fix, make sure you always use .scope, probably never an enum struct. So it needs a dot scope at the end. I don't have it. Ah. You're modifying script while Unity is. Scope. Well, how about that? Oh! It worked! Guys, it worked. Sorry guys, you who are not on if you're not on Twitch you won't see this, but it worked. I have no idea what Damon did, but Damon's did not work. Did not work. Mine did. Yeah, every time I press the thing on Twitch, the button, it creates a poll event. So you guys can. It's just a simple poll ABC. Maybe I can put it up on stream here. There's nothing more to it. Like I can close it, and then if I press this, boom, it started a poll. Yeah, and then here you should see in the chat. And you can vote just, it doesn't really do anything. I don't think you even print anything. There. Do you guys see it? I think you guys see it, right? Do you guys see it? Is Mr. Harold in the chat, boys? I don't know what happened to Mr. Harold. Is Mr. Harold alive? That's still pretty cool. Like, I don't know why. Your stream has a 30-second ad on Twitch. I did not create that ad, alright? Thank you for the money though. Use ad blocker. Yeah. Oh. No, don't use. I need money. I need money. No, it's alright, guys. You can watch my stream with the ad blocker. It's okay. I don't. Do you guys get like a chance to like if I press the button, do you guys get a chance to use the poll? Like can you vote any of those things or not? I'm using it, but it didn't block that. No, but that stream is not loading. So wait, am I the only one who can vote? Where is Harold when I need him, huh? When I need him, he's always away. What am I paying him for, huh? SMH. Let's see. I'm gonna take a quick recording. Also, so press the button and it starts the poll event. So now we can choose A or B or C. We always choose C, right? I cannot see any poll or anything. After I'm new to Twitch, how do I do that? It should just be, I don't know, just in the chat, maybe, hopefully. That's what I'm hoping it would be over there, because if it's not, then oh shit pants, you know. Hello, cheesecake. Cheesecake! Can you try? If I start a poll, you can vote, right? Like you can vote. Or am I the only one who can vote? Can anyone vote? Or am I the only one who can vote? Brother, there's no way. Oh, nice! So it does work for everybody. Hell yeah. B1, that's right. We like B now. Awesome. Nice. Okay. I don't know, like, should I continue on with Damon's code? I don't know if I should, because, like, Damon's thing has a lot, of changes, but if it doesn't work, what's the point of it, you know? Maybe I probably have just a weird setup, but, like, if I go to assets, like my thing only has these two files, right? And it does, like, I don't think we need anything more fancy about it. Let's see, wait, where is it? Here's the project, right? Have I been in the wrong thing all this time? I don't know. Anyways, here, and I literally just have Twitch, and these are the two files. I have the out manager, and then this file, and we don't even need this file, so I literally have one file that is needed. And it should actually also, wait, it should have this thing, stream, and then it should get into here. Ah, but I don't call the poll, my bad. So let's actually stop it. So let's see if we can get this information, right? I will cut it from here. And I will do this. Oops. I'll paste it in there. Boom. Look at that. You touched grass, cheesecake? Damn! I haven't done that yet. It's on my bucket list. Let's try this now. So if I do this, I played. Users logged in. I press the button. Ah, shit. You got to 1. So it's the same thing. It got here, but then it failed. Maybe it just needs a lot more. Cancel. Oh, go away. Why do I have a poll manager? I don't seem to be using it. Do I need this? If I just comment. Oh, that's just so I can do a start poll. Oh, oops, I forgot that. Okay, but if I save this and I go back here and start playing. I do this. Yeah, we don't even use. So one file is good enough. But it's so funny, like I new poll and then get my stream info. Just fails. What am I doing? I'm trying to just get who's watching the stream. Oh no, my Discord froze. Bruh. You won't, but you know what it did? Don't worry, it doesn't do anything. Only thing it does is nothing. It actually does nothing. We can do this, right? Start poll. So what we can do is that I think we can do it like this. Do that, and then Twitch poll manager, bruh, sure, boom. What is happening? Twitch. So we have a poll manager, and then on start. And wait, what? Like so. So we'll create a new poll manager, and then here, instead of doing this, why am I even doing? I don't know. I should be able to poll manager that's start poll title and poll choices. So some poll, and then I can just do a new string. We can say, hey, you, bye. All right, and that should do the same thing. Oh yeah, I forgot.
No.
Hello. No, you try my poll, right? Right?
What?
You try. Did you finish the video game?
Huh?
Yes, Fritz kid. I finished the game. Try my poll. You're in the Twitch live chat, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now I will start a poll. Yeah, there is a poll, and then there you can select a answer.
Okay, I voted bye.
Okay, I voted hey. Okay, so now with this,
I'm gonna get.
what the fuck? With this event, it should actually print some results in the terminal, or not.
Oh, those results are insane.
Thanks.
Bro, the like printed shots of that terminal. Yeah, exactly.
What the fuck? Wait, what? It should have gone through. Should I get this and then start new poll, active poll, and then here poll, and then it should have gone through here, and then it should have said user. Oh. Well, obviously this is not gonna work. What the fuck?
Yeah, no.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Poll choices. Yeah, okay, let me just do a yes and no just to test this one out. I didn't know it was so statically. I'm a bit stupid. Is it capital? Yes. Yes. Oh no. Alright. But it should still have gone through. Oh. Why is this indentation? What the fuck? If votes.
That's pretty insane, the indentation.
Like, what the fuck? Okay. Else. So, yeah, we'll say like that. Alright. Let's try this one instead. Save that. Okay, let's try it. Start that, and let's start this. So now there should be a yes and no. Vote. Vote, vote, vote.
Yes, I'm voting.
Wait, nobody's voting no? What the fuck?
No.
Okay. Weirdos. I'm just saying. You guys bunch of weirdos.
Yes.
And let's see. Nothing again? Nah, bro. Nah, it was right. Alright, I swear it was right. Alright, what the fuck?
Lucas, have you been nutting again? I think you're stupid. It's
Ah.
probably some. Are you even calling the function at all?
It's being called every update.
Also, you know you can make it static.
Do I? I need to check if it has ended, you know?
Okay, never mind.
I cannot know when it has ended. Maybe there's some callback stuff. I have no idea.
Yeah, who knows?
Okay, so I will just change this to 0. Okay, I cannot know. Well, yeah, I have the check mark there. So then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So we'll go with this, right? Let's try that one. So let's try again. Vote, people, vote. Okay, 50 Swifty.
No.
It's Swifty Swafty.
50-50.
Well, for fuck's sake, where's
Yeah.
my damn information? What the fuck? This is some bullshit, like what the fuck? The poll has ended if... But, wait, what? I never put it to true. Of course it will never get here. What is the logic here?
Yes.
This one will always be false, like it will never have a chance to become true. The fuck?
Well, that's what you think.
No, I'm pretty... What? I'm pretty.
You pretty? Nah.
Pretty as fuck, boy.
I don't agree with that.
What the fuck? Let's see. It's literally just a copy paste from this poll manager. Poll has ended. Okay, but where the fuck are you supposed to change? Okay, the logic is flawed. All right, doesn't make any fucking sense. Why would I do?
My logic.
Or can I switch channel, manage poll? Oh yeah, but this one says that the scope is this before it asks, and that's why it works. But then does the other one, it's not gonna work because it has the wrong scope. Anyhow, let's just not do this. And let's not care about anything else, and this will probably spam a lot of the thing in the console, but... No? It should go through the update now and just spam 00000000000. But I don't see it happening. So that means the update is not being called. Why? What the fuck?
No, man, we should really make it easy.
I agree. Like this should definitely just spam update, right? Like, am I stupid?
Yes.
Oh wait, but this one has... Ooh, am I supposed to not... Not... It should go through and spam. That's what I want to get. I want to see spamming zeros, but there is none. Which is weird, because they should definitely have a lot of spamming zeros, but there is no spamming zeros. Like, what the fuck? Oh man, I don't know how to do a default update. Find a unique one. Yeah. Damn, Harold, you crazy son of a bitch. How dare you do something like that?
Yes, how dare I?
And how does this thing not have it? Why doesn't the update look work? Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Why is my console not spam with zeros? So, but how can it even start the event? Where else were... Wait, so this is not sufficient to create it. This is not sufficient to... You like playing it? Okay, New York has to do. Okay. Attach poll menu as a component, then in your script you can refer it. Okay, so you... What the fuck? I would still just... Can I just... I will change it to this. Get component. Twitch poll manager. Bit cursed, but it's okay. Yeah, now it's spamming there. All right, amazing. So now that means I can just do this. And if I start now, it should not spam. Yes, and then I press the button. Bruh, and nothing happens. It's not connecting anymore, what the fuck? Oh, because it's probably trying to... Oh no. Oh no, but this should only happen once. Let me just try it real quick. Just... Oh, it's not starting, that's why. Oh no, it has a stroke again. For heaven's sake, can you not just work? Like, Jesus Christ, it's stuck in a process with this shit now. Well, I guess the best I can do is just close the thing, don't save, go here, close the thing, exit. Can you crash, please? Thank you. Then go here, start again, yes, accept. Take this thing, move it over here. Fantastic. Then we'll go here, preference. I'm never doing a Unity project again. Fuck this. Open this thing up, move it over there. And now it should be fine. So I start it. Console. Don't. Yes. Now. Fuck. Not set instance of an object. Oh yeah, because it didn't get to save the thing here. Let's see. Yes, there it's missing. And go take this, move it over there. Boom. Start again. Console. And now it's not connected again because I swear to fucking god if you're doing some weird shit over here. Okay, thank god. I don't know, I don't see any messages. Okay, and now, okay, let's see. So if you vote now, it might be a bit too fast because it's spamming in that chat, so we might not be able to see. Yay! There's the answer. It says user 2. Whoever the fuck you. Oh yeah, user 2 is not there. That's my print. Answer 2. No, basically. Let's see. Is user 2 no? Wrong place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and user 2. Choice 2. That's no and no 1. So it worked. Amazing. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you. I've been practicing on my.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
I will actually yank this, and then I'll go in here, and then go to here, because here we want to do a different thing, right? We want to go here, and then we want to. I don't know if this is the right way to go about authenticate status. This I should maybe do like something. I'll just do this. The worst case scenario doesn't work and it crashes the whole application, you know, like who cares? Show contact action. Okay, and then here I don't want. I want to get the streamer info. So maybe is it still? What is it? It's probably still in channel, right? I have no idea. Probably not then. What can I get from user? It's maybe that. Let's see. I think Damon sent me actually the parts of recommended. It's crazy. Okay, now I'm reading your "we live" and if you don't want to watch it, then I'll mildly disagree with your opinion. The hell.
Yes.
That's absolute fire. Let's see. Damon sent also a link for all of the scopes. So let's open up that. Why did it go over here? Doesn't matter. And I want to get the. Oh, it kind of does matter. I want to get the scope for stream info. Why can I not get manage channel broadcast configuration? I'm not concerned about stream schedule. Read. Find the
Lizard.
Broadcast view user broadcast configuration including extension. No. Read view the list of channels I used to follows. No. What the fuck? I just want to get the information about my stream. Like. What scope do I need to get my stream info? You should read. Okay, I'm just gonna try that. I don't know, maybe this will work, maybe this won't work. And we're stuck again in the infinite compiling. Ha ha ha! Why? Why can't it just don't fuck? I hate this. Why don't you just compile? I just want you to just compile. Fuck Unity. Refreshing solution in Unity editor. You're not doing it though.
This is precisely why I hate engines that are pre-made with UI.
Like I spend more time trying to restarting the Unity application and writer than actually doing something, because every time I try to change one small code snippet, I have to restart the whole thing. The life of a programmer, yeah. Like, why can you not just work like a normal application?
That's not how it works.
Like, it has to be a way for me to force kill this process, right? Maybe there is. Let's see, do we? I don't want to kill Unity, because if I kill Unity, then that's a bit of a yikers, right? But I could probably just kill. I don't know. Wait, dash H. Is it? How can I get just like top amount? Sort. List field names run. I just want a specific amount. Width change print use column single CPU. Sort list field iterate. Dash N10. What? Is that? No. No idea. No idea. Has to be a way to just. Or what if I just do a random ass std? No. What do you use debug? Destroy. Yes. Debug.log. Sure. And then I save that. Oh, what the fuck? Attach Unity editor. Enable debug for all projects. For this session, I don't know what the fuck. Why did you the fuck? Build. It's this thing doesn't even exist anymore, so that's kind of funny. Oh wait, it's right there. Why is it still here? What the fuck? How is it? How do you get back? What the fuck? Oh wait. I'm wasting time on the complete wrong thing, but that's okay. Don't I use jump height? I should be using jump height when I jump. Well, I guess I can just doesn't matter. Space should be used. Ah, I don't really care. Okay, not. Oops. Okay. Oh. So warnings did create an issue. Okay, let's see. What was I supposed to do? I even forgot what I was supposed to do now. Okay. Was I supposed to play this thing? Yeah, I was supposed to play this thing. Oh shit, but I didn't want it to spam. No. Oh no. I forgot about that. My brain is not the smartest in the city right now. It's okay. Soon it will end. Yes. Alright. Let's just undo this. Take this back. Poll has ended. And then I'll just go if poll has ended, return. I don't know. Oh, okay, they had it originally like that. I don't know, if poll has ended, put it through here. Yeah. Okay, whatever. So then it will go through all of these steps. But I don't need these prints anymore. I just need it for the result. Just for funny. But in here we should now get this when I press start. So let's see. Button. Getting stream info, then it got to 1 and then it failed. The fuck? So it got here and then it failed anyways. Interesting. Actually, let me just take this full thing. Scope check pass to skip. I was assigned, but this complete was false, so fired that because it's asynchronous right now. You're so I need to do it in the update. Oh no. Shouldn't be that. Well, I guess if it's asynchronous. It's so weird. Like, how am I supposed to know that? And does my code still just continue, like it sends out the request and then when does it come back to the variable? Like, what the fuck? How does it, like, I haven't said so maybe behind the scene this is asynchronous and it's just stored and it just knows how to when I say assign it to it, it somehow knows that where to find it in the memory and assign it properly. But what the fuck, I never told it explicitly, so I'm feeling a bit sad about that. It just works like why does it just work kind of like that? I'm also supposed to know that it's asynchronous and bruh, annoying. Stupid code that just works, but doesn't. I guess we can simplify this into a very stupid way, right? We can just do this. We can paste it in here. Right. Let's stop the application. Others don't need this. Okay. So if it's null, not null, and then if it's completed, then we do this.
Also, I'm probably gonna go now because I have some stuff to do.
Alright, well,
But,
good luck
you know,
and
yeah,
see you next
tomorrow.
time. Bye bye.
Yes, good luck with the Twitch and the Unity not crashing.
Thanks.
Yes, and that's all for me.
Alright, bye bye. Oh wait, I took one too little. So then we should have here. So you should try to get it. And then once it gets it, then it will be good. Right? Let's see, button press and screen for loaded. But then it's... I don't print it. I was like, where did it go? No. Okay, let's see. So can you add print for all? Perfect. I'm gonna yank that. Place it in there. Don't really care apparently about that. By the way, what else does exist here in this thing? Ah, I don't know. This is some weird ass shit. Broadcast login. It says that there is a broadcast login, but I don't see it when I don't know. Wait, what the fuck? There's the thumb. Oh, okay. I don't know. Let's. I want to see all of these things. I'm gonna say it says a login, but that's fine. Okay, let's try again. It says that it got all of the information, but I didn't do the print. Did I save? Fuck. Start. Okay, now it does this. And then press button. Oh, look at that. Okay, come on. Software and game development is mature or false. Yeah, we're not mature here. Unity game devs through part 3. Viewer count 2. Language English. And then here's the URL to the thumbnail. Amazing. You don't know the potential with all of this information that we're just having like in our hands. We have this, we have the URL to the thumbnail. You don't know what we can do with that, alright? The potential is unlimited. This is not the way you should be doing it, but it's the way that I just know that because we are getting it here and then because it's asynchronous, it will fail here every time I try to do this unless no, also if I press the button next time it will fail, but instead I just put it in the fucking update loop and you know like what? and then we can just do that and then yeah, boom, easy peasy. I would never do it like this, but now it works like this. I'm just trying out what can I do with this information a little bit. Still don't know why Damon's thing didn't work, kind of weird. Hello Olivia. It's interesting that his thing didn't work, but it was close to probably working. I have no idea. We'll talk more with him tomorrow. Right now I'm just gonna try out weird shit and see what can I do with this information. Can I get who's watching? Let's see. What the exposed list of individual? Damn it! just the total number of viewers, chat participants you can connect to the IRC based with name, people, chat followers, subscribers with what you cannot get a full list of all viewers watching your stream. Many people watch without being in chat. View direct chat follow here. Okay. Alright. This returns. Wait. User channel name chatters. I can get the chatters. There are viewers. Wait, hold on. Well, okay, I guess I cannot put. I was hoping to put people's name or like associate the character with somebody, but yeah, that's now it's gonna be kind of hard because then it would be nice to have like somebody who's watching for longer being associated with this specific character, but now it's kind of like I cannot really do that. Unless I could use, like, when you chat, I could get the chatter and then take that instead. That could work too. So when you send a message, then you will pop in, and then that would also encourage more people to chat, maybe. The more you chat, the more violent your character becomes. That would just be a huge chaos mayhem chat, people just spamming. You can get every single person watching, but you can get the list of who are currently connected. That would be kind of funny still. I mean, worst case scenario, we'll just take the total amount of viewers. Tag includes moderate read follow scope. This scope is necessary to access the list of users following your channel. But then, following, is that the same as chatting? You don't have to be following to chat, or am I wrong? So with, well, fetching chatter in Unity, let's see. Start call routine, URL, Twitch, Helix chat chatters. Ah, so that's what the Damon tried to do. Because this looks quite similar to Unity web request, yeah. Ah, okay. Okay, now I see. Okay, let's give you a built-in method to the chatter. Okay, no, that's fine. I think Damon was on a good track for that then. Okay. just send him a message. But it's okay. You know, we can still, just for testing purposes, we don't really need to do that. We can still just use whatever arbitrary data that we get, and one thing that we do get, thank you that there's somebody watching this stream for God's sake, we get the viewer count, and what we can do, I don't know, how do you do is there such a thing as there's a for each, interesting. It's whatever. I don't really know how do I do a for each properly in C#. We'll try something. I would say I. And do they take semicolon or how does it look like? Okay, I'm just gonna do a simple for. This hurts my brain. Can I say int in C#? Do they have such a thing? Can I just say for each viewer count? I don't really need to do. Okay, fuck it. I don't know. For int equals 0, I 0, I is less than viewer count. I'm not even gonna utilize this. I plus plus, and then I'm gonna just go here. How do you spawn any objects? Just create, spawn, summon. I don't know. Unity spawn. What the fuck? Spawn object. Instantiate. Instantiate there. And then I probably want to take in something that is gonna be a game object, so that I just know what it's gonna be. And for me, but wait, doesn't it need to, like a position? Yeah, transform. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put here at the top. It's horrible, I know, but I don't care. This is literally just gonna be thrown away, this whole thing. I'm just trying to figure out how this thing works. So I'm gonna create a public game object, ragdoll prefab, sure, I don't know. And then here we can just say instantiate ragdoll prefab, and then it wants a transform form T cannot just do that. What is this then? Where does this come from? You cannot just, brother. That's there's no way you can just do that. Game object 3, game instantiate, transform that position. Where? Please, no. This transform, that has to come from somewhere. I cannot accept that. That doesn't make sense. What the fuck? There's no way that's how you do it. No. Say transform rotation. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. What is that position and what is transform that rotation like? What are those values? So wait, what does it? Ah, didn't take the rotation. And what are these values? What is the value by this by default? It has no up. It's just 0. Can I assume it has 0? I have no idea. We'll see. We'll see. Oh shit! Well, ragdoll, but it shouldn't try to go in and spawn multiple times. Like once it has been pressed this button. Oh. Yeah. You should put it back to null. I will see. Worst case scenario, my computer will get fried right now. Let's see. At least it seemed like that was about to happen. So I wanna see it actually for real, dog. Alright, so we're gonna take it here and shit. There, boom. Put it in there. Let's see. Well, at least it got spawned in, but it fell. Hello, Code Fox. Let's see, scene. What is the position of this gram? Let's do -10, right? T dot position dot. Wait, that doesn't make any fucking sense. That's camera is that's just upward. Like what? Why is it also in the minus direction? Shouldn't it be in the positive? Or I don't know, man. If I take this ground square, if I spawn in position 0, 0, it should spawn. Like, what if I put this into 0, 0? Yeah, it should spawn over here. I don't know, I'm just gonna... bruh. I'm just gonna ask Unity this thing. How do I spawn in Unity at 0, 0, 0? Oops. Are you good with Unity? No, I'm ass with Unity. I use Grot, so sorry I can't help you. Don't worry. 0 vector and quaternion identity. Okay, well I guess that makes sense. What if I wanted a specific position, like there's 0, and then a quaternion identity, and then I don't need these ones. All right, let's try again. They get stuck in an infinite and I don't fuck. No, it's just stuck again. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. The more I use Unity, the less I start to like it. Because like, it doesn't. What does that mean? Is there anything I can do to like? Can I kill something to make it go faster? What is this? Is this a refresh? Undo history? No. The refresh button. compile or something. Just work. Touch Unity improves Unity settings. Let's see. Okay, bruh. There has to be something I could do, right? Dots. Exclude dots. Generate the code from navigation. Okay, crazy. Why is there a note? You can use C. You can use C. Sure. It's my only option to literally just force stop the whole thing and then get back to I don't know, I don't see many other options right now. Kinda like what the hell? Arch Linux got DDoS, so you can't access the website forum hour and wiki for a week, but now you can. What? Where did you hear that from? I've been accessing it on a daily basis, like. Okay, I'm just gonna force quit. Ah, fuck. Is it saved? Please don't hit saved. I hope it's saved. Like so, let's start it again. Okay, come on. Look at that! 2 of you were watching, it spawned them quite quickly, but that's fine. And yeah, I control all of them. So that's a bit cursed, but you know, it spawned it for each person who watched, it spawned a person. So we could actually do a little bit of a fuck. Why are I'm literally clicking over here, but it's not reacting. Let's just it's still navigating here. Can I? No, it's still doing it over there. What the fuck? Let's do. Okay, now it's working. I don't know what happened there. Some weird ass shit. Maybe. I don't know. What if I want a random was x plus minus 10 y plus minus 10 set so you can do new okay, but we can do that. And then I should probably read into that more, but I still find it so weird to try to find keywords, but nah. So I can also just do a new vec3 like so, and then I can just say, what do they use for random? They use random range, and then you just provide a random range. Okay, so random range, and then we just provide -10 point f point f. Why? Or do it? Is it like this? 10. Right. And then random dot range -10 to 10, and then say 0. Let's see. Right? I think that should be fine. So if I play this, there should be spawning 2. If you're 2 viewers right now. Well, that's right. Maybe you don't want it to spawn in the ground. That's a pretty fair spot. Let's not do that. Just random range from 0 to 10. Yeah, let's do that. Let's check that out. And then I press the button. Well, fuck. Maybe 10 is too much. Maybe we do 4 to 4. So now it should spawn for each of you. Boom. Ah! Shit. Oh yeah, it's already active. Don't worry about it. But now I can control all, and if I press again, boom! For each viewer it spawns. So if you're like 3 people watching the stream, we will spawn 3 characters, but you're only 2 for some funny reason. Over at Twitch, it only counts from Twitch, not anything else. Boom. Even though like it's like this could literally have been any value, but probably gonna change it so that it's for each chatter that it does this. That's pretty. I don't know what you guys think, but I find that pretty damn cool. I'm gonna do a quick recording of that as well. So we can press the button, boom, and it spawns in for. Yeah, don't worry about those error messages. For each person watching, we're just 2 people watching right now, but that's okay. You know? Let's try again without hopefully getting that big ass error. Yay! 2 people. Woo! You can see right there it says viewer count 2, so it spawned for each of you a character plus me that is playing. The hitboxes are not that accurate, but besides that, it's pretty good. Amazing, right? Let's see, I'm gonna... Alright. Freaking amazing. I will push this, but I won't merge it with the master, because I think Damon's approach is still better than mine, even though I can't get his to work. He has a lot more, but he has also integrated a chat system, or like when I read the code, it seems like he had done it. So I assume his ones is better. If I could get it to work, it would be freaking cool as well. But it's okay. What we'll say working, polling, and stream info spawn in ragdolls. Ragdolls as how do we not spell ragdolls? As there are viewers. Yeah. And git push. Classic, hello. How long have you been coding for? I have been coding, depends how you wanna count. Like, I wrote my first ever thing back in 2014, which was using Autoit. This thing. It's Autoit is a freeware basic like scripting language designed for automatic the window GUI general scripting. It was basically I just wanted to create bots or bot in games, and that's what I wanted to do, so I did that in 2014. Then 2017, then I pretty much didn't do anything for 2015-16, like it was literally just that 1 year that I did one thing and that was about it. Left it. 2017 to 2020 I did web. I took a degree in web development, so it was PHP, JavaScript, HTML, and that kind of stuff. Then it was pretty much dead until 2022, where I started doing C programming and C++ in 2023, and 2024 I started with Java and Python, and also now I'm doing SIG in 2025. So I guess I've been programming 4 years here, and then since 2022 I've been programming actively. This has been like kind of like but since 2022 I have been programming quite actively, I would say, or at least since 2025 I've been very, very, very active in programming. But that's interesting. How does Java translate into getting into something like C# or C# and Java? Like those are not like my, what is it called? I'm best in C or C++. Well, I'm better at C than C++. Like C++, I don't know most of the time what the fuck. It's just weird. C is so simple to just like, you read the code and you're like, of course, that's what it does. But C++ is sometimes like, you're like, with templates and function overloading, you're like, what the fuck is happening? Or polymorphism, you're like, what the fuck is happening? But C is like, there's no ambiguity. It's like, it's what it says it is. And it's like, okay, great. But when you talk about Java or C#, I'm like, those are quite different from both of these two. But I think they are quite similar. Personal opinion, of course. I think Java and C#, they are like quite close together. Like they look quite similar, but they are yet different also. Like they are different, but they are closer to any C or C++, like closer to each other in that regard. And SIG. I also do SIG, and I have come to love SIG. Like SIG, I'm kind of, it's hard to choose between these two, SIG and C. And C++, I guess, is cool, but it's like it's just it's too much. Oh, I can't. Wait, let me put the dark background so we can see this. Oh, you subscribed it. Amazing. Thank you, Kasik. Yeah. It's interesting that that alert pops up on the stream, but not from Twitch, and it's like mainly from Twitch. That was why I took this over to here. 3 months ago, my boss basically threw a contract at me to become a dev for a company, as I wanted to give. I have no experience, but as you know, heading into Java course and basic business. BBX. What does BBX mean? Big boutique Salimo, right? You can pretty much it's BBJ. And what does BBJ mean? I don't know what BBJ means either. I don't know if I want to press another link to see what it means. But I just saw that there's 3 people watching on Twitch, right? Am I wrong? No, it's back to 2. Bro, no! No! I wanted to test it with 3. No! Well, there would have been another enemy spawned, or character. So I don't know if it's a big deal, but yeah. Now Java, business basic Java. There's such a thing. Yeah, like this is big on Java known as PBJ's current generation PBX platform. Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, object-oriented programming extension extended SQL support native for design. Okay, okay. Database management system. Okay, okay, okay. So it's just basic stuff for what you need for business, but like, is it kind of like all-in-one kind of thing? Yeah. Interesting. It's whatever they work with. I haven't heard anything about it yet either. Ah, okay. Yeah. Java is alright. I think like if you play games and you just wanna do some more stuff in Java, just making Minecraft plugins or mods is super fun. There is like a great Udemy course actually. I'm not signed into Udemy, but that I took once, and it was, well, I don't know if you can like with Java there's like so many specific like things, so I don't know if you can directly translate that skill, but you can still programming as programming. You can translate there wherever you want. But Minecraft plugins. But this course, oh my god, this one is so good. I took this one, and he is constantly updating it, but it's really nice, and he goes through how to basically make Minecraft plugins, and it's a really good course. Probably there's newer ones nowadays, but he keeps on updating it, and it's like I just remember because when I did Minecraft plugins back in 2020, I think it was. Yeah, no worries. But it's honestly a super great course. And I remember because I didn't understand much, I just did stuff, and I had an issue where I just kept on. I wanted to make every mob that got spawned, every zombie, every skeleton that got spawned into the world, to tag a player whose name I put in a file on the server to troll my friend, basically. So I got it working. The only problem was that as soon as the mob got spawned, I put its information in a hash map or an array list, basically. And then I never removed it from there. So every time a mob got spawned, it just got added to the list, and the list just grew. And then when it died or got despawned, well, it still was here in the list because I needed to keep track on that. It always, when it retarget or something like that, I wanted to update its target to attack this player. And eventually the whole server's memory just ran out because it was a cheap host, so there wasn't much memory, and you know, entities spawn out and spawn back in quite rapidly. And also it takes time to go through the list to always, like, even if the entity is gone, but you still have stored all of the data of it. So it just grew. And I didn't know it at the time, but now, 5 years later, I'm like, oh, that was the issue. But it's super fun still too. Minecraft modding, I don't know a good course of Minecraft modding because I have looked into one, but that is also probably pretty good because then you can start doing, I think this one, yeah. He has free course on YouTube as well, which if you do modding, that's a whole different thing because then you can like add your own assets and just load them into the game and do whatever you want, and I think that's still like super fun. And it's not like the only difficult part is actually the setup. Then start writing the code, it's actually quite fun because they are quite like clear. Hello Damon, you're joining right when I'm about to hit my bed. How dare you?
Yeah. Just waking up, so.
You're waking up? What the hell?
Yeah, I got locked into trying to figure out that Twitch API. Were you able to log in?
No. Yeah, I looked into one. Looks scary.
Damn.
Yeah, I would say like doing plugins is a bit more friendly than doing modding, in my personal experience. But it's super fun. Like the setup is just the hard part. Once you have that, it's pretty straightforward. Just to say like get block and do stuff with block or get item or whatnot. Like,
I know Discord was way fucking easier. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, but I got the thing working like this with my own thing. Like, how many do we have watching right now on Twitch? One. Do you want to go watch on Twitch quickly just to show that it works? Mr.
Yeah.
Damon.
Yeah, just 1 second. On Twitch? I don't think I gotta like click your YouTube and then click your Twitch.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Alright, I'm in.
You're in? Alright, I don't know, it still says 2. But...
I'm watching a commercial.
Oh, okay, well, anyways, right now if I press the button, there it says that there's one viewer, right? So it's
sound alert.
So it spawns in 1, right? Because there's one viewer.
Mm-hmm.
But it still 1. So when are you watching, bro?
I'm watching right now.
What the fuck? It still says just 1 viewer, bruh. How am I supposed to? Yeah, and then it also does the poll event.
Oh, maybe no 3. It says 3 viewers for me.
What the fuck? It just says 1 on my thing. Wait, what if I do the thing now? Nah, it's still 1.
It do be say 3.
It do be say 1.
It do be say 3.
It do say 1. You liar. I don't even trust you for $1.
Oh, did you like the screenshots I sent you?
Yeah, some crazy ass conspiracy theories there.
I just don't know why the activation code was in the URL. Like, I don't. Like, what
yeah,
the hell?
That was weird. Like, what the fuck? Okay, now
I
3.
don't know.
Look. So now I've pressed the button. Boom. It spawns 1.
Hey.
Why? It says viewer count. Oh, right. Because I'm not getting the new information. I'm just retaining the old. But whatever. Look. Boom. Well, it still says 1. Why does it say 1? I should have 3. Now it's 4. Why am I getting 1?
Damn, look how yank they look. That's so funny.
What the fuck? Wait. Okay, the poll event is still going, but why?
Wait, did you figure?
The what?
Did you you pulled my changes, right? Oh, you must have, right?
Yeah. I put them on the master and it still says that there's 1 viewer. Well, that ain't right because there is 3 or 4 or whatnot. But it still just says 1 every time I press. Oh, wait, did it change? Oh, no, it said 3. Look. Wait. Am I stupid? I swear it spawned in 3. Maybe I spammed just too quickly.
What the hell?
Oh, there. 4. 4
got
viewers. Did you
yourself a
see?
party
Did you
there.
see? Did you see? Boom. It spawns in 4 because there's 4 viewers.
There's 5 of us.
What the fuck? Why are you... There's 4. It's a bit delayed, apparently, the API, but that's okay. Yes, that says 4 viewers right there. So... I don't get the actual user who's watching, but I get the amount. I don't think... It doesn't look like you can get the actual... person who is watching, so that sucks kind of. But you can get if they are chatting. If they are chatting, you can get them. Oh, you're also in. Amazing. But yeah, so I don't know. It's still like closer towards the goal, right? And yeah, then it also starts the
We
poll.
gotta give.
Hmm?
Oh, we got to give them names, chatter names.
Yeah, like we
And
can.
I was looking at how the stubs work,
Yeah.
and I started to make some stub classes. I don't know if you've seen that.
Yeah, no, I had stub classes. Like I saw like your like wait if you go in here.
Are you streaming on Discord? I'm watching your fucking Twitch stream.
Yeah, I'm streaming on Discord as well. I looked into your like PR and I merged it with the master, but I cannot get it to work. Like I cannot connect to the thing.
Sorry,
But now that you're here, maybe I can do it.
Yeah, so you pulled and you fucked it up.
I don't know. Git check out. Let's see. API 2 I called it.
1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, sorry, I'm back.
Welcome back. I have been missing you. So this is what happens when I pull your thing. It's that there's a lot of errors.
Just press clear.
Yeah, but they don't go away. It says something about parse failure line 7 expected between key and value within mapping. Some YAML parsing. But what the fuck?
What is it saying? Like a bunch of metadata. What the fuck? Contents, Twitch revamp, run models, documents, characters, .meta could not be parsed. What the fuck? It's fucking stupid shit. Go into the project.
Oh, right.
No, sorry, I meant like your project tab, lol, like where it shows like all your folders and stuff, and then go into scripts and Twitch revamp, and then right click the folder Twitch revamp, Like, and then go to open containing folder. Yeah, now delete every single meta file. Yeah, delete all those meta files, and then go into Twitch revamp. And then delete all the meta files as well.
Wait,
And
there's
then
example
runtime.
scope. Wait, just the meta.
Oh yeah, delete all that. Yeah, just delete all the meta. And then inside runtime, yeah, delete all those metas. And then it was inside modals. Delete all those fucking metas. Just delete them all.
Alright, like so.
Yeah, and then see, try to refresh Unity, see what happens. Press F5.
And okay.
F5's your compile button.
Apparently. Okay, but that's
clear.
Yeah, that's fine. Then this. Let's see. If I try to connect.
All right, so now you need your client, whatever it is, down at the bottom there. Scroll down.
No. That's I created a separate one.
M7.
I created a separate one for this case. Where is?
Yeah, I'm not too sure what the hell to put in that link. Like I put the. Like I got it. I'm pretty sure I got my shit all connected once, and then I disconnected it, and I never bothered connecting it again. All right, there I get that client ID.
Yes, like so. No, that is there. Wait, what the? Yeah, it's there. It just looks weird. Boom, it's there.
Says status client valid. Then click Twitch Manager and make sure that setting's plugged in. I'm pretty sure the metadata will. No, it's still all there. All right, press play. All right, now press authenticate. Unable to get Twitch authentication info.
Yeah, this is where I'm just stuck at all the time. I don't get any further than this.
Well, you're able to load this up and get to this point.
Yeah, this is.
I don't know. You should push your metadata changes first. So before we do anything, let's just push those corrupted files changes, the ones that you just fixed.
All right.
Call that fix corrupted files. I got really tired yesterday or whatever before I went to bed. Like I had it working, and then I did my fucking program and shit.
Yeah.
And then changed some things and started making those modals. And I remember I'm pretty much I was at where you at, where I was having actually troubles like connecting again.
Yeah.
So I'll have to open it up in a bit here and figure out what the fuck I did to it. But now that you're here, I can actually give you like what I kind of understand from the workflow.
Yeah.
So if we go into the API, like the scripting shit that I've created, and go into Twitch Manager and open up Twitch Auth Manager. You can open up the.
You don't mean code, or?
Yeah, in the code. Yeah, you can open up the code, Twitch Auth Manager, or whatever which one it's called. All right, so it's actually kind of funny how some of this stuff was like, like the package they give you like 3 scripts that I didn't realize like they just like had these scripts for you to like use, and they weren't like internal. So I yoinked those ones and brought them over, but
yeah.
You want to go look into Core Twitch Auth Manager.
import Twitch Alt Manager here.
All right, right here. So
Yeah.
Twitch scopes. So these are how you add your scopes. So these are like because the SDK we're using it's old. It's for some reason I'm pretty sure it's 2024 or something like that, and we have a shit ton of new API calls that we got to use and stuff like that. So it's like the SDK. Like when you scroll down, you got Twitch OS scope dot channel dot manage polls dot scope. Those are the ones you've been using in your other one, right? And then I got the ones that I've created here, right? These are Twitch off scope right chat, and you see how I got these written. If you look on your right side on the actual web page there, that's exactly how they're written right there too, like user read whispers, right? That's how you unlock a scope. Is you first register, like when you authorize, so I'm assuming user bot is the one that we want, and read chat and write chat. I don't know, I started putting a bunch of them in there, and then I cleared them all out, and I was like, wait, we only want like the few select ones, right?
Yeah.
But a lot of these commands are kind of complex. So if you were to like hover over user bot and then search for it on your API list over on the right.
Yeah. User bot here.
Yeah, okay, so you see event subs here? So once you subscribe to the scope, you now unlock all the API calls in the box on the right here. So now you can do any of these send messages, read messages, update messages, and all this kind of stuff. So I'm assuming you want to be able to read the chat, right? Is that going to be part of it? I'm assuming.
All we need now is just to get people in fighting. Like we don't really care about anything else at the moment. View the
So
block
if
list.
chatters then, because there's
we cannot.
There was a section where you
like the ideal would be to get every user that is watching with their name, you know, or some way to identify them. But that we can't do, right?
Okay, one of these, view chatters. Try to search like chatters, I think, because yeah, there we go. Moderator read chatters. I heard like this is one here. I'm pretty sure I have. So I have user read chat. Is that my Twitch oscilloscope there? I think that's moderator
users that are connected
chatters.
to the broadcast chat session. There is a delay between when user joined and leave chat and when the list is updated accordingly. To determine whether a user is moderate, we don't care about status, except maybe we would care about some if you, later. Require user access token includes, and then.
So what happens here? This might clarify some things. So you ask HTTP. Oh, move it over again.
Oh.
We're looking at the website still.
Yeah. Okay, this one I actually read before already, but you can still explain.
So we just send that API call, whatever, it says Helix, whatever, but you'll send your name, and then it returns a JSON file. So it's like Twitch. It doesn't matter like what you ask for Twitch. Twitch is constantly saving these JSON files to your Twitch account. It doesn't even matter if you're running a bot or not. It's got a database where it just saves these data file or these JSON files, and all you're doing is just asking Twitch to get that JSON file.
Yeah.
And then so when you ask for your chatters, it's just gonna send a ping to the HTTP, and the HTTP returns you a JSON file. So then I'm back to what I was saying. I made some stubs. Stubs are basically just like a C# term for like a JSON format. So like I like when you ask for one of these HTTP requests, this is what you're gonna get in return.
Oh,
so then I
so
have like C# classes. Yeah, so it's a mock. So you'll be able to like easily insert this data into your code. It's already all formatted, and you just grab the information you need.
Okay.
Yeah, like this is how you're talking to Twitch right here, and then I had the documents filled out by AI. You probably don't really need to read that, but these are the formats here.
Okay.
These are copied from the website themselves.
Okay. Amazing. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I saw you created, for example, the channel chat message event, but there's like...
Oh, that one's huge. the event one's fucking huge.
What?
No, it's the notification event. I think it was the notification event was the massive one.
Oh yeah. Wait, so you can get when somebody does something specific in a chat?
Yeah, so like you have like an event call that like it's like a JSON file that's pretty much like everything, and it's like I don't know if you really want to use that one,
No.
but like I said, I don't know. Yeah, chatter's response is probably like the one you might want to be looking into the most, or who's actually watching you at a given time.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of API calls. I actually like didn't realize it
Yeah,
last night when I was doing some of these. I was like, wait a minute, I don't need all these. I just need like 3 or 4.
I think we might even just need one to begin with, and that's literally just getting chatters. We don't really need anything else to begin with, but of course, like adding, extending on top of it, it's amazing because like there is a lot of beautiful stuff you can use here. Damn.
I don't know why those are throwing errors though.
Oh, it's
Like red lines. Oh, it's just comment that out, yeah. Or the bottom one. My IED was lagging out and it wasn't like showing me like what was compilable or not, like right before I went to bed. I don't know what the fuck that was all about.
Oh, that was literally all the red stuff was that.
Okay.
Let's see, I'm trying to do oopsie daisy. Like so. Alright, should we try to get this running before we end today? Or what do you think? Work together for that purpose.
Damn, I'm here for the rest of the day, so. Oh, look, they're like he's pinned.
Yeah, I noticed.
Or click on the Stickman rooted character. I redid some of like if you look at his motor, Stickman motor, like there you go. So like that's the main. You don't know. It's the on the you almost had it. It was on the right there. No, it's Stickman rooted, and then on the the main and then on the right you got the script Stickman motor.
Okay.
And so everything's all in just one file here, so you can put.
Oh.
You're not going down to each of the limbs.
Yeah, that's quite interesting because
None of the
there is actually
none
like
of the settings are right.
like there is like we have the balance script, but I think that's literally the same as the use motor.
I was thinking that too. I was thinking that too. Was like, well, isn't the motor like constantly push it back to 0?
Yeah, like literally, like I think that's literally it.
I don't know,
I don't know.
Like I said, like a lot of these YouTube videos are just like they're just doing what they just do, and they're like, oh yeah, this is the right way,
But
and it's like they got the animator and.
I think the store that I watched, they used a version where motor didn't exist for the hinge joint yet, so that's why they created the balance script.
Could be.
But either way, do we still go about and just add more to this shit?
Gotta figure out.
Like how, like why does it even do that? Like if I open it, it's over here.
Yeah, this was commented out. This this is part of their this is in the one of the scripts they give you, and it was commented out, and it said uncomment if you want debugging, or it said turn to true.
Yeah.
So I turned it to true to debug, and I don't know what the hell's calling it, but it gets called every time you make a web request.
I don't want debugging. Do you just put it false?
Go for it.
Flasse. How do you do false? Is it?
You could put fucker if you want. You can put anything you want.
Okay, so
The only thing that matters is like true.
Okay, let's see. Now it just says that I'm logged out, but I don't get anything.
Yeah, because you gotta authenticate with the chosen scopes, but I'm not too sure if it works on localhost, because that's where I was switched to, is localhost 2. But when I hooked it up to the actual redirect line, it worked.
I've been
And I was
using
able to
localhost
like
for the other one. The one that I got working. Because I don't get
so
the.
then it is possible, because I didn't get the localhost working.
But how do you get the
switched to-
redirect? Because you don't get the redirect unless it asks for you to do the thing.
Like I'm not 100% sure what you put in that fucking thing there, dude. Like I don't know. I just randomly put that link in there and it worked. So it's like I don't know if it's actually looking for like a URL, or because like I'm thinking like if you're like making like a local CLI client, you would need, you know, something like that. But since you're using Unity, I have to do some more research on it.
Yeah, it's just weird because I'm like, it doesn't even prompt me to create the or do the redirect, right? So I'm like, how do I? It just says logged out, and that's.
No, you gotta go press play.
Wait, but logged out, you don't. There should be a prompt login,
It should
right?
prompt. Yeah, it won't. It doesn't open automatically. Like when I was pressing the button.
You're alive.
Yeah. Press play.
Yeah.
And click Twitch Manager, and then.
Right.
Oh, it's under Don't Destroy under load.
Okay. And then authenticate?
Authenticate.
Ah! Oh no, well then it makes sense. Ah. And then I just enter here, activate. Let's see. Now I'm just gonna authenticate everything.
You got all this.
Okay, let's see. Now it says
Now log out. Now log out. No, turn off. Turn off.
Uh-huh.
Turn off. Now turn back on.
Unable to connect remote
Okay, yeah, so
server.
You got. Okay, we're connected, but there's just some fucking stupid shit happening.
Events. Oh, it's a lot closer though. What if I still go back to here and then I go take this thing and add, and I actually remove this, and then I'm not a robot. I don't even know what it was asking for. I started pressing what it usually asks for, and that's not motorcycles. I was like, ooh.
Oh my god, I just died.
You died? No! Okay, let's try again. But now I have the redirect. No. Unable to connect to remote. It's here.
Oh my god.
But I don't know where the fuck that comes from. Oh, it's a step closer. Should I? You didn't change much.
Push.
I commented. That's what I did.
All right.
Or
Were you able to connect your other app though, with the scripts that you were making?
yeah, like it's able to connect. Hi again, my man. Hello, MCC. Still on my shitty mind map, but change it to C++ and JSON parsing as no hole man. Okay, good. JSON parsing, eh? Let's see. I have actually a thing that's gonna be not JSON parsing, but database stuff. Gonna be interesting. Wait. That's not the right one that I want to take in. I want to do it on this one. I think I'm pretty sure. Yeah, API too.
Oh my god.
But yeah, I'm gonna go sleep, and we talk more tomorrow. I think at least we're getting closer to having, like, we're pretty close to having at least connected people in the chat to see. Let's see how the YouTube thing is gonna go, right?
Yeah, I'll take a look and see what you cooked up,
All right, but
and I'll figure out what the hell these connection errors are.
all right, see ya, chat. Bye bye.